Trade Genius.
Hey guys, how's it going? It's Philip with Trade Genius. All right, so one thing I wanted to show you guys is that, no matter what Bitcoin's doing, there's always opportunities to make money, income from it every day, basically. And so even when we're in an environment where we are consolidating, like we talked about in yesterday's video, and we're kind of looking for this action to take place, this is on a 4-hour chart. But you can dial into like a 15-minute chart, and we have our Trade Genius short swing trader, and it doesn't mean going short primarily. It just means that they're for short trades. And so like this is on a 15-minute chart, and we like to trade within the linear regression channel. Bob's shown that on his videos. But notice how, and I have the settings here of 21, 19, 9, and 5 for our indicator on the 15. But notice how you get these nice entries here, and because you're on the buy side or sell side of the channel, your stop's going to be fairly small. And but it provides these nice opportunities to swing up and down. So if you're at a site like Poloniex or some exchange that you can short, you can also take advantage of it when it's going short. And like right now we're in a long, as you can see, price is popping a little bit here. So just wanted to show you guys that this is a pretty decent indicator when you use it this way for getting those small gains during the day. So it doesn't matter if volatility has died down and we're kind of chopping sideways. There's opportunities here. So basically, you can head over to tradegeniusacademy.com and you'll be able to get that indicator on our Crypto Special 1. And no more need for a coupon code. That's just the price there, and it gives you a year for that and the room access and our signals that we tweet out. So just thought I'd share that with you guys. All right, that's pretty much it for this video. Just a quick one to show you the opportunities are there and we have the tools to make it happen. All right, guys, catch you on the next video. Thanks. Bye.
Trade Genius.